Do you want to know how you can bet on live events on Melbet? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can bet on live events on Melbet. The first step is to open Melbet and log into your account. Then you can see some of the live sports over here, and you can see the live streams over here as well. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see there are a lot of matches going live, and to bet on these, you can just click on the options over here. These are locked, so you can scroll a bit down and let's suppose I want to bet on this side, the TNCL League. I'll go ahead and click on this, the Mighty Lions. So I want to bet on the Mighty Lions one, so I'll click on it, and you can see on the right hand side this screen is loading up. This is the live budget site, so you can go ahead and make deposits, or else you can choose another link. So let's do this with live streams, and you can see, let's go ahead and hit this over here. On the right hand side it is currently loading, and if the deposits aren't there, you can make them, and you can see this way you can bet on live events. This is currently going live, and you can see the live score over here as well. And if you want to see the video stream, go ahead and click on it, and you can see that the match is over here, and you can bet whichever amount you want. And you can see you can also apply the promo codes, and you can also accept the odds to increase, confirm and accept any changes, and you can also increase the stake amount from here, and you can see how much potential winnings you will get. And this way you can click on place a bet, and you can also increase or decrease the odds over here, or the amount of money you want to place. So guys, this is how you bet on live events on Melbet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.